Good morning, fellow traders or watchers. Whatever, I don't care. This is officially week 4 of my trading journey, capture, whatever. So let's dive right into it. Bam. Gaming. Then we go here. Boom. Okay. I had no idea where I left off last video. So I need to work on that. So today, this time, I changed my strategy a little bit because I went more for scalping on the lower time frame. I still am most trading on like 1 hour to 4 hour time frame, but this time I went like very deep to like 50 minutes to 3 minutes to see how that worked out. I had one trade here. This one perfectly played out. Let me show it left side. I looked on the left. I saw interesting interaction points here and here. I took the underside of these two. Does it work? Oh, so this is simple entry. Very, very nice. 3.1 for RR. Stop loss of 1.36%. Maybe on the higher side. I'm still learning, right? So it could have been lower, but I think it's a fine one so far. I just need to keep on watching my stop loss. With these kind of trades on the 1 hour time frame, I stay around to the 0 to 2% max. On the scalping, it's different. I'll show you in a second. I had one trade out planned here for a short. I just took the top side here. I'm expecting to have like a nice rejection, but as you can see, never played out, so that's also fine. If I think about trading, I think I like to plan my trades out even more, not play it in price, but plan it out. So I'm just placing some trades here and there, poof, poof, poof. See if it works out, if not, and some I do in price. Okay, so these were mostly scalps that I did, and as you can see, it didn't go so well. Let's go to the lower time frame. I think that's easier to see. So for this one, I remember this one exactly. I wanted to play the rejection here. If you see, look in these top sides here, rejection. I wanted to play that. One thing I realized after, or when I took the trade, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times price tried to break through this support barrier, and yeah, I took the short. So I think if it was much earlier and I would looked at like this, for example, on this, I could maybe place it then. So then I was earlier. I was just far too late. My bad. So I gotta keep in mind, if price is testing a certain level very often, I think after like 3-ish, it's gonna become very unlikely from what I know so far. So this is why this one stopped out. I took a loss on here. This was a scalp, so I had a 0.26% stop loss. I didn't lose a lot. It's fine. We learn and we earn. He who learns never fails. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. See what they did there? I was like, oh, the start of the drop off here. The start of the massive candle. Nothing happened here, sadly. Didn't play out, but I think my idea was fine here. That this could be, this trade could work in the future, just this time not, because this was the start of a massive drop, a massive price drop. So I still think this is a valid play. It just didn't work out. So this is a loss. That's fine. 0.25. It would have been a nice RR. Who cares? We learn and we earn, and I still think this is a very solid one to keep in mind for the future. And then I want to play another short, or I planned out another short. My idea was boom, look on the left, on the side here, rejection. Still think it's a fine idea. I think I still have it placed or not. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I still have this one planned. I'm pretty sure, but I should remove it. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Then we continue. I saw on the 50 minutes interesting price thing here. I saw like a little volume, whatever you could call it. I was like, this could be very nice, but didn't work out. I have seen that this could work, so it's fine. Mistakes happen. We continue and we learn and we earn. So guys, this one is kind of so what I'm seeing from like a lot of traders right now, price is currently very, God knows what the fuck is going on, you know. So I've had a very hard time trading in this price period, but it's okay. We just sometimes observe and watch and whatever. My idea was here to play the underside. I got stopped out very quickly. It's fine. I think this was not a smart trade to take, to be honest, because if I look at the candles, I was too early with my entries here. Let me see if I can check better. Here. Oh, I even written out. Did this one play out? Did it work? Yes, I did play this one. I remember this. Okay. So check. I remember this. This is the lower time frame, and I was looking at a setup, double confirmation, as you can see. The double confirmation is like this. Beep, boop, beep. See this level here? You respect, and boom. I remember I took this one and I got a profit on this one. I was like, huh? But dig a bit deeper, you know. And I was like, quick in, quick out. This was like my very first scalp, but actually was nice. 2.72. It's fine. We got some profit, so we take it and we learn. I remember I took that one, but then I had an idea for a short, so like kind of like the same setup idea. Because I was like, look at this construction site here. So I was like, this area could be very interesting for like a loose of structure, and it kind of did happen, but my entry was far too high. If I look at here, if I was paying more attention to like what happened earlier, because look at here, because price stopped here for a reason, right? We had like a massive upwards movement, couldn't hold, massive rejection, and it went down. So I think from what I see, I should place my entry lower, something like this, because of the start of this construction. But this one is still something I have to learn on. So I think if I see something like this happening, like this is kind of like touching the underside a bit, yeah, something like this should do in the future, or at least try to see if it works for me. Either way, I had it like here, so keep it there. So hey, another learn to earn moment, right? That was basically my trades for Bitcoin. I'm not trying to trade too much, because this, what the price is doing is what the fuck, you know. I have no idea. This is still very new to me. I did have one nice Ethereum trade though. Same kind of scenarios here, just like I did with Bitcoin. I made the nice arrows, entries, whatever, you know. I just look on the left. Look on the left, construction, liquidity, boom, filled out. We got in and we got out. These were like very easy trades, to be honest. These were like just A setups, maybe you could call it. Here I had one played out as well. You look on the left side here, liquidity stopped here. So that was also an entry point for the future. Oh, nice. So I entered. I'm sure I closed it earlier though. I'm very sure. I gotta check my order book, because my brain was kind of like trade here. I lost track. So for the next video, I'll completely empty my chart again, and then we start slowly working out. This is like my visual order book, you know, but it's very chaotic. So next time, make it clear, empty, and then we start clean. Okay. Yeah, this was a clean entry or whatever. I think I closed it earlier. This was a scalp I did, which played out very nicely. If I can go down in 3 minutes. Is that one? Yeah, this one was stopped out. Don't ask me why I did that. Damn, at 3 minutes you see crazy nice structures. Okay. for this scalp, I was like, what should I do, right? What should I do? This was today. I looked at the left side here, make an arrow or like a line. Also here, I saw like a lot of interaction points here. So I was like, 1 + 1 is 2, 2 + 2 is 4. What's gonna happen? Look at the door. So, what would price do at this level? Rejection. So I went for display. Very tight stop loss, 0.38%. I don't know why I went higher, but it played out very nicely. Look at this. Just a small little bit. And I'm not gonna lie, this is the nicest scalp I've had this week. And this made me like break even for this week with trading. Maybe even a little bit of profit, like maybe 1%, maybe not even. So it's fine. This was like a very nice trade. I did one stupid thing though. I was impatient. I'm not gonna lie, I was very impatient. So this was actually today, yeah. So I closed my trade at like I closed like 25% here where I marked it. See, I do remember the YouTube. See, I do remember you guys, but I was like, okay. And then I closed the rest of my trade on here, like legit on the end of it here. I should have let like 10%, 10 or 20% be, and just let it run. See if price would continue or not. Because I missed some very nice potential profit, but I closed it right here. And I could have closed at least like 80% max, let 20% run. And that's like potential more profit, because it's still a nice RR, right? Like 7.34%. But if I just kept running it, it's like, holy shit. This was like an 18 RR trade. So, okay, so note for the future. Stick more to your plan, or like I stick to my plan, but let a small percentage always run and let it play out. And if price continues, you have a nice profit. If not, it is what it is. But you at least have had like a chance, because this would have been a very nice trade that would have been it would have made me very happy and like, okay. But this is my trading, so my trading account is very, very small, like $50 right now. So the trades I'm taking right now, if I'm closing my trades, the amount of the position size of the trade is so low that I cannot really close always like 25%, 50%, because the amount is the same, right? It's too low. So maybe I think I also did part of that. So no excuse, focus. Price levels, close like 20% here, 20% there, blah blah blah, and then the 20% run. So for the future, I'll close like 20% here, like maybe 60% to the end, and then the rest I'll let it run 20%. I still gotta find my way in that, but either way the idea is correct, so I do whatever works for me. So this week, what did I learn? I was focusing on my scalps. I think scalps are actually very cool and very nice, and I think the potential is very huge, because with a very tight ass stop loss, you could make some very nice profit. So I'm gonna master my scalps more, but I'm also gonna focus more on like the big trades, because on the higher time frame, to my feeling, I see like very clean setups here. You look at the arrows here. This was like a very nice one. This one, the idea was nice, but okay. So yeah, this was the video for today. Damn, I gotta be more controlled with what I'm telling you, but that's fine, we're learning. And I feel like if I talk like this, I know for the future to become better, also with trading, and reflecting in this kind of way makes me realize like, oh, this is my mistake. And while I'm telling you guys my mistake, I realize my mistake. So I was like, hey, it's only W's right here. We maybe lose money, but we win in the future, baby. So guys, thank you for watching. It was a lot of fun. Take care of yourself and keep on growing, my friend. See you later. Bye bye.